Hello everyone, and welcome to the first part of this series. This is a Blender and Unity tutorial series. I'm going to make a house or shop. I'm going to call it shop. I've called it shop in the blend file. So I'm going to make this shop from scratch. Basically, the textures are going to be provided from others, but this whole structure is going to be made by myself, and this is what it's going to look like at the end. So let's just open the rendering tab. Let's just render it for a bit to see what it will look like. Turn the environment on, lights and stuff like that. So from the inside, it's too slow. Sorry, 1 to 8, and viewport, let's just dial it down to 12 maybe. So this is what it's basically going to look like. For Blender, that is. So for Blender it's going to look like this, and after I'm done with Blender, I'm going to model it first. It's going to be a 8-part series including the first video, and after we're done with including the overview, it's going to be an 8-part series. And after we're done with the modeling, we're going to texture. Textures are going to be provided by other people, so I'm just going to, when the texturing starts, I'm going to give you the link to not the link but the website where I got them from. Just for your convenience, I'm going to show you so all these textures are from this side, these 3 are from this one is from this one is from this. So these are the 8 textures, I believe. 1 4 3 1 1 9 textures. So these are the 9 textures that are going to be used. So after texturing, I'm going to export it into Unity, and this is what the end result is going to be. If you follow along properly, this is what it's going to look like. In Unity, I'm going to import it, assign all the stuff, and after that I'm just going to add some lights, and this is what it's going to look like. All the materials are going to behave like this. So this is what the front looks like, this is what the sides look like, this is the back, and this is the side. That's the front again. So this is what it's going to look like from far. Let's look at it from afar. So yeah, anyways, let's just finish what we're talking about. So yeah, render images. Let's just show you what one I rendered. It's not that great, but this is what it's supposed to look like. Anyways, if you follow along, you'll probably find it helpful if you're a beginner or if you are interested in this sort of stuff. I'm a beginner myself, I haven't been using that much. So I'm going to end on that note, and hopefully you guys are going to find it helpful, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.